PRT is the first-to-market choice for air ride components. Part number 992024 fits the popular 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Tahoe and Suburban, and GMC Yukon models with the optional Z95 suspension package. The PRT units are direct replacements for GM's MagnaRide shocks. Make sure the keys for the truck are not in the ignition and proximity keys are not near the vehicle. Lift the truck by the lift points on the frame. Remove the rear wheels. Remove the wire clip that holds the air line to the shock and pull off the line. Unfasten the screw and clip that secure the wheel well inner liner to the body. This will make accessing the electrical connector and upper strut bolt easier. Disconnect the electrical connector at the top of the shock. Support the rear axle. Remove the upper shock bolt with a 21mm socket and 21mm wrench. Lower the lower shock bolt. Remove the lower shock bolt with a 21mm socket and 21mm wrench. Lower the axle to aid in the removal of the shock. PRT air ride replacement shocks and struts are new units and not remanufactured. Units have the same magnetic ride control and simultaneous damping control active valving as the original OE units. In addition, the air spring is made of high-quality materials designed to last years in extreme conditions. Install the upper bolt first and use the jack on the axle to maneuver the lower bolt into position. Connect the air line to the body of the shock. Move the wire retaining clip into position so the line is secure. Join the electrical connectors. Make sure the seals on the male connector are seated and free of debris. Tighten the upper shock bolt to 70 foot-pounds and the lower to 80 foot-pounds. Once the wheels are installed and the truck is lowered, start the engine. The compressor should start to run to fill the new units. Perform a quick test drive to confirm there are no codes related to the suspension.
PRT, or Performance Ride Technology, shares its heritage with one of the largest manufacturers of shocks, struts, and complete strut assemblies in the world. PRT products are produced and tested under the strictest OE quality processes required by leading automakers in 5 modern and fully automated plants using the latest technology available. With more than 30 years of expertise in ride control and suspension product manufacturing, conducting business in more than 135 countries worldwide, with a strong presence in OE and OES developments, PRT is a leading presence in a global aftermarket business. Quality, complete coverage, advanced features, and built-in profit potential for customers are synonymous with PRT. Performance Ride Technology is in our DNA.